Partnered by Times Influence.
The 7th edition of the Legal Era Awards rewarded top lawyers, law firms and in-house legal teams for their exceptional contribution in the field of business law. The evening kicked off with a special address by the Union Minister of Law and Justice, P.P. Chaudhary.
Friends, India's economic growth is not simply a feel-good story for the front pages of newspaper. It is a necessity to satisfy the aspirations of hundreds of millions of young Indians who are finally filled with the hope of finding their place in the world after having seen their previous generation fill the ranks of the deprived and underprivileged. For them, growth is not choice, growth is not an aspiration, growth is not a target, growth is a must, growth is an imperative. Shri Narendra Modi government is committed to the philosophy of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and has kept attaining high, sustainable and equitable growth as one of its topmost priorities. Business and investor confidence is a key to economic growth of any nation. In order to ensure that our economy attains its optimal potential, the NDA government, under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has undertaken a series of unprecedented reforms with the mantra of perform, reform, and transform. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Let's now march ahead and also invite our next esteemed guest for the evening, who in fact was chosen as one of the 50 most influential persons in the intellectual property in the world by a leading prestigious international organization for the year 2007 in recognition to his contribution to the growth of intellectual prosperity laws through his judgments. He in fact became the acting Chief Justice of Delhi High Court in 2011 and was elevated as the Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court on 2012 and was elevated as the Judge of the Supreme Court of India in 2013. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we invite on stage Justice A.K. Sikri, Judge, Supreme Court of India.
So far as ease of doing business is concerned, the World Bank has ranked us, our ranking has gone up from 130 to 100. If the judicial system or legal system can be more robust, where the contract enforcement can be quick, particularly where the international issues are there, and there can be quick justice, maybe the ranking may go much higher. And the reforms which are being brought about at all levels, where judiciary, legislature and executive have to play a combined role, the role of lawyers become really, really important. We talk of corporate social responsibility, which is a known term. Now, it is statutorily recognized under our new Companies Act. In legal word, I think that another term which can be given is, what is the CSIR, from CSIR to LSR, Lawyers' Social Responsibility. And this is really important, because what is to be seen is that profession in law is not a commercial venture for accumulation of wealth. Law, in a sense, is service-oriented, noble profession. Thank you very much.
We're about to get started, ladies and gentlemen, with the first set of awards. So to do the honors for the first segment, which is the law firms, I'd like to invite on stage our very, very respected presenters. If I may please invite Honorable P.P. Chaudhary, Union Minister of State for the Law and Justice and Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Honorable Justice A.K. Sikri, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Dr. Lalit Bhasin, President, Bar Association of India and Society of Indian Law Firms, and Akriti Raizada, Founder and Managing Editor, Legal Era and IP Era magazine. First up, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Private Equity Law Firm of the Year.
The winner is Sardul Amarchand Mangaldas and Company.
Well, on that note, let's also march ahead to our next category as well. And Best Banking and Finance Law Firm of the Year.
And the award goes to JSA Advocates and Solicitors.
Next category, this is Tax Law Firm of the Year.
Goes to Lakshmi Kumran and Sridharan.
Next category, this is Best Dispute Resolution Law Firm of the Year, Mumbai.
This award is won by Manilal Kher Ambalal and Company.
Next category is Dispute Resolution Law Firm of the Year, New Delhi.
And the award goes to P&A Law Offices.
Next category, this is Litigation Law Firm of the Year, Mumbai.
Winner is none other than DSK Legal.
And that brings us to Litigation Law Firm of the Year, New Delhi.
This is Lakshmi Kumaran and Sridharan.
Next category, this is Corporate Law Firm of the Year.
Award in this category goes to Khaitan and Company.
Let's march ahead to our next category. This is Best TMT Law Firm of the Year.
The winner is Singh and Singh Law Firm, LLP.
So moving on to our next category, this is Media and Entertainment Law Firm of the Year.
Honor goes to Anand and Anand.
March ahead to our next category. This is White Collar Law Firm of the Year.
MZM Legal.
Next category for the evening. This is Best Intellectual Property Law Firm of the Year.
Anand and Anand.
Next category, Most Promising Law Firm of the Year, 3 years and above.
Winner is Veritas Legal.
Next exciting category for the evening, this is Regional Law Firm of the Year.
Award is shared by two teams. One is Tatwa Legal, Hyderabad, and other is Surana and Surana International Attorneys from Chennai.
are two winners in this category, Surana and Surana International Attorneys, Chennai. Next category, which is Best Law Firm of the Year for Innovation, Strategies and Continuous Growth.
The winner is Shardul Ambarchand, Mangaldas and Company.
Our next category is Deal of the Year.
The winner is SSTL RCOM, led by Systema Sham Teleservices Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, while we come to the end of the first set of awards, please put your hands together once again to thank our presenters as well. Dr. Bhasin, thank you very much, sir. And Shri Sikri, thank you very much, sir, for joining us. Let me inform you, the next segment for the evening is in-house. So on that note, I'd like to invite our next set of presenters to please come on stage. May I please invite Honorable Justice Deepak Verma, former Judge, Supreme Court of India. May I further invite Padma Shri Dr. T.K. Vishwanathan, Chairman, Bankruptcy Law Reforms Committee, to please come on stage. And may I also invite Mr. Shardul S. Shroff, Executive Chairman of the Shardul Amarchand and Mangaldas and Company, to please come on stage. Please put your hands together for our presenters for the next segment of the awards. Now, this segment, in fact, recognizes established and emerging in-house legal teams that are making a mark in different areas of practice. So on that note, let's get started with our first category in this segment, which is Best Banking and Finance Legal Team of the Year.
The winner of this award is Axis Bank Limited.
Next category, this is Best IT Legal Team of the Year.
And the winner is Accenture.
Moving on to our next category, ladies and gentlemen, Best Pharmaceutical Legal Team of the Year.
The winner of this category is Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited.
Let's march ahead to our next interesting category for the evening. This is Best Media and Entertainment Legal Team of the Year.
The winner in this category is Z Entertainment Enterprises.
It's time to take a look at the Best In-House Legal Team of the Year.
Winner of this award is ITC Limited.
Next category, Best Compliance In-House Legal Team of the Year.
Winner of this award is Ambuja Cements Limited.
To our next category, Corporate Governance Excellence Award.
Winner of this award is Godrej Industries Limited.
Let's get started with the next category as well. This is the Premier League. And to do the honors, may I please invite on stage Honorable Justice A.K. Sikri, Judge, Supreme Court of India. May I also invite Dr. Lalit Bhasin, President, Bar Association of India and Society of Indian Law Firms. May I please invite Honorable Justice Deepak Verma, former Judge, Supreme Court of India. May I please invite Mrs. Pallavi Shroff, Managing Partner, Shardul Amarchand and Mangaldas and Company, to please come on stage. And of course, may I please invite Mr. Ashok Raizada, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief of Legal Era magazine. First up, let's take a look at the category which is Policy and Regulatory Lawyer of the Year.
Dr. Manoj Kumar.
So let's quickly find out the winner of our next category. This is Woman Lawyer of the Year.
None other than to whom Honorable Justice Sikri made a reference, Madhavi Devan.
Let's march ahead to our next category, Leadership Excellence Award for Outstanding Achievement as a Lawyer and Leader.
The winner is Mr. Majid Memon.
Let's march ahead to our next category. This is Leadership Excellence Award for Continuous Growth as In-House.
Debolina Pratap.
And let's quickly march ahead to our next category. This is Legal Icon of the Year.
Winner is Avnindra Mohan, President, Legal and Regulation, Z Network.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next category, Senior Counsel of the Year.
I think it is a misdescription, Senior Counsel of the Year. It doesn't signify the greatness, the seniority, and the respect that we have for none other than Mr. Janak Dwarka Das.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, is the Lifetime Achievement Award.
I'm being personal. It's my very dear friend. I've shared this professional relationship for nearly 4 or 5 decades with him. Mr. Rafiq Dada, Senior Advocate.
Lifetime Achievement Award, I'm sure, is a great achievement. But a lifetime is not enough to study law. A law, as you know, is a large ocean. Every day there's a new experience, there's a new challenge, there is a new quest for justice. And every day there is a learning experience. I'm sure this will give me encouragement to carry on the thrust and parry of the legal profession and to fight the cases with greater vigor and to continue knocking the doors of justice. Thank you very much.
So on that note, we'd like to thank our presenters as well. Thank you very much. Final segment for the evening, ladies and gentlemen. So let's keep that tempo on till the rest of the evening as well. And to do the honors, well, this is the individual awards, in fact. So to do the honors, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Jeffrey D. Creighton, immediate past president, in-house counsel worldwide, member, BlackRock Canada IRC, consulting editor, Legal Era magazine, Legal Media Group. May I also invite Mahavir Singhvi, joint secretary, CT, Ministry of External Affairs, India. May I please invite Shri Mahavir Singhvi to please come on stage. May I please invite Mr. G.R. Raghavendra, Joint Secretary, Department of Justice, Ministry of Law and Justice. And may I please invite Mr. Anand Desai, President, TAI, Mumbai, and also the Managing Partner of DSK Legal. So moving on to our next category, this is Young Achievers Award of the Year in the in-house category, 42 years and below.
The winner in this category is Vineet Chowdhury and also Damini Maro.
So we're going to directly march ahead to our next one, which is Emerging Corporate Lawyer of the Year.
And the winner is Shweta Shroff Chopra.
So let's move on to our next category. This is General Counsel of the Year.
Mr. Samit Chok.
Moving on to our next category, ladies and gentlemen, this is Corporate Lawyer of the Year.
This award goes to Mr. Satish Kishan Chandani.
So let's move forward to Competition Lawyer of the Year.
The Competition Lawyer of the Year. The winner is Anand S. Pathak.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tax Lawyer of the Year.
Tax Lawyer of the Year is Sujit Ghosh.
Now that we've come to the end of the awards presentation, we're going to be inviting all our winners as well to please come on the stage for a group photograph.
Partnered by Times Influence.